You're a seven-figure business owner and you're struggling to grow and scale your business, there's probably one thing that you aren't doing that separates average businesses from great ones, and it's a business performance dashboard. I'm going to share with you some insights about how to create a great financial dashboard for your business and the key metrics that you need to track that's going to help you remove those bottlenecks, lift the invisible ceilings, and start growing your business again. So the idea of a financial performance dashboard in your business is about highlighting the key performance metrics in your business to aid you in your decision making. The reality is that every single business has a financial model, and understanding that financial model will largely dictate the opportunities that you've got to continue to grow and scale your business. Now, much like when you're in a car, imagine that the dash had absolutely no indicators on it. There was no speedo, there was no revs, there was no indicators, there was no check engine light, there was no fuel lights. All of these things would leave you completely blind when it comes to trying to drive that vehicle, right? And I'm sure it would fill you anxiety, you'd have uncertainty, you'd be tentative in terms of your decision making. And much like in a car, we want to ensure that the data and the dashboard that you've got in place provides you with the key metrics that inform your decision making and help you make the best possible decision to grow and scale your business. Now, the key metrics that we need to be tracking is the lead metrics. What are the opportunities that are coming into the business that result in top line revenue? So, for most businesses, it's the number of leads that come into the business, the number of sales appointments, the number of proposals that are sent, the number of acceptances that are made. And what this allows us to do is to work out, based on all of those metrics, if we have a certain financial goal, we can reverse engineer those in order to work out exactly what needs to be worked on in order to achieve the top line revenue growth. The second part is we need to understand the key metrics of the profit and loss, which is top line revenue, gross profit, operating profit, and net profit. If we can understand the numbers that translate through your P&L, we can work out exactly where are the cash flow bottlenecks that are consuming profitability in your business. And for the vast majority of businesses, it isn't more volume, it's not more leads. It's about potentially increasing price, optimizing cost to serve, and removing those cash flow bottlenecks so we can improve cash flow. The third component is understanding the balance sheet. Because on your P&L, we normally have accruals, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you've got money hitting the bank account. And the balance sheet will tell us what's happening in terms of our assets, our liabilities, and our equity in our business. And for so many businesses, they overlook what we call the cash conversion cycle, which ultimately is how long it takes them from when they raise an invoice to when they get paid. And by understanding this better, we can drastically improve cash flow in a business. And then lastly, we want to understand the cash flow statement. Where is cash coming into, where it is flowing to, and how much our bank account is actually growing each month. Now, for all of our clients, we implement a financial performance dashboard, and on average, it allows them to increase their profitability by 15 to 20%, in some cases more. And this is just one of 40 strategies we help our clients implement as part of our financial performance scorecard. It's the top 40 things that you need to do to get on track for financial freedom. So if you're interested in finding how well you're tracking towards financial freedom and removing these cash flow bottlenecks, click the link below or jump in the link in my bio, complete the scorecard, and let's see how well you're doing.